Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best pepper spray kit is probably one of the most essential personal safety tools a woman can own in today's unpredictable world, offering a crucial layer of defense that can empower you to deter potential threats and create distance when you feel unsafe, ensuring you have a reliable means to protect yourself in various situations, from walking alone at night to unexpected encounters, making it a vital component of any comprehensive self-defense strategy for modern women seeking peace of mind and personal security. Number 5. SABRE Pepper Spray and Stun Gun Self-Defense Kit. Introducing the ultimate self-defense solution trusted by law enforcement worldwide. This kit offers reliable protection when you need it most. Face multiple threats with confidence. Our advanced formula provides an extended spray duration, ensuring you have ample time to escape. Deter attackers with a powerful charge designed for maximum effect. It delivers a painful jolt to incapacitate threats, giving you a critical advantage. Navigate the dark with ease. The built-in LED flashlight illuminates your surroundings, helping you identify threats or find your way. Stay prepared with a rechargeable battery for multiple uses. Its compact design and included holster ensure it's always within reach. Gain the knowledge to use your defense tools effectively. Access free training videos to enhance your personal safety strategy. What we like. This option offers both pepper spray and a stun gun for comprehensive defense. If you're looking for a multifunctional device that can incapacitate an attacker and also provide illumination in dark situations, this is a strong contender. Its rechargeable battery also adds to its long-term value and convenience. What people say. Great item, fits well in the hand and is just the right size, not too big not too small. Combo comes with 2. It's love the color, thank you, this will keep me feeling better and safe. Highly recommended, very professionally made, does not look cheap like others do. The material is top notch, great job. Everything works perfectly. The stun gun is so loud it made me and my chihuahua jump. The color is so gentle, I love it. It's very stylish in my opinion. The material it's made with is like plastic but mired durable. I'm very happy with the size. It's what I wanted. These little guys are perfect for anyone looking for protection. They are both easy to use. The stun gun is pretty loud. It scared my dog when I tried it. Number 4. POM Pepper Spray Pocket Clip. Experience the difference with a product backed by over 40 years of expertise. We bring you the safest and easiest to use self-defense tool available. Our law enforcement grade formula is HPLC tested for maximum stopping power. It ensures consistent heat performance and contains UV dye for identification. Gain peace of mind with a powerful stream that reaches 10 to 12 feet. It provides up to 12 seconds of continuous spray, incapacitating threats for up to 45 minutes. Our patented flip-top technology keeps it safe yet ready to fire. This design minimizes movements for quick and dependable defense when you need it most. This compact and stealthy model is perfect for everyday carry. The ambidextrous clip allows for easy access from a pocket, purse, or armband, for discreet concealed carry. What we like. This one is designed for everyday carry with its tactical pocket clip, making it very accessible. If you prioritize a discreet and easily concealable option with maximum strength OC formula, this is an excellent choice for you. Its compact size ensures it won't be a burden to carry daily. What people say. The spray is very effective and easy to use, even under stress. The compact size makes it easy to carry in a purse or pocket. The safety lock prevents accidental discharge, which is a great feature. Number 3. SABRE 3-in-1 Compact Defense Spray. Introducing the SABRE 3-in-1 Compact Defense Spray. It combines pepper spray, tear gas, and UV dye for comprehensive protection. This powerful spray offers maximum police strength for your security. Trust in SABRE, the #1 pepper spray brand. We are trusted by law enforcement agencies like the New York and Chicago PD, and U.S. Marshals. Our products are proudly made in the USA. Our maximum strength formula is twice as strong, designed to be effective even against an attacker under the influence of drugs or alcohol. We guarantee its potency with our in-house HPLC lab testing. Face multiple assailants with confidence. This spray provides 4 times the usual spray duration, up to 13 seconds, with a powerful stream that reaches 12 to 16 feet. It's designed to minimize wind blowback. Discreet protection is always within reach. The compact belt clip ensures quick and easy access to your defense spray when you need it most. Stay prepared and secure. Enhance your personal safety with free training. Your purchase includes links to SABRE's training videos and safety tips. Learn how to maximize your protection effectively. What we like. This product offers a combination of pepper spray and tear gas for enhanced incapacitation. If you need a robust defense option with a longer spray duration to handle multiple threats or a prolonged encounter, consider this. The belt clip ensures it's always within immediate reach. What people say. Maximum strength. When they say maximum strength, they ain't kidding. One squirt from this thing and I was on my knees faster than you can say. Bad life choices. My eyes felt like they were on fire, and my nose? Forget about it. 3-in-1 formula. This spray is the ultimate triple threat. It's got pepper spray, tear gas, and UV dye. Not only was I temporarily blinded and incapacitated, but now I'm also a glowing beacon of bad luck, visible under UV light. Great for catching the bad guys, aka me. Quick deployment. The lady I tried to mug whipped this thing out faster than a cowboy in a spaghetti western. There was no fumbling, no hesitation. Just a quick spritz, and bam. My criminal career went up in smoke. Number 2. POM Premium Pepper Spray Keychain. Experience peace of mind with a product trusted by professionals nationwide. It's crafted with over 40 years of expertise to be the safest and easiest self-defense tool available. Our powerful formula is law enforcement grade and HPLC tested. This ensures consistent heat performance and maximum stopping power when you need it most. Stay safe from up to 12 feet away with a powerful stream spray. It provides up to 12 seconds of continuous spray, leaving an attacker incapacitated for up to 45 minutes. Our patented flip-top technology keeps it in a safe or ready-to-fire state at all times. This design minimizes movements for quick and dependable defense. This model fits perfectly on any key ring and features a quick release. This ensures you have immediate and dependable access to your defense tool whenever necessary. What we like. This is a highly portable option, designed to attach to your keychain for instant access. If you want the convenience of having your self-defense tool always with you without any extra bulk, this is perfect. The quick release mechanism ensures you can deploy it in seconds when needed. What people say. It's not too big and has a sleek design that fits easily in a pocket without feeling bulky. The safety thumb cap is perfect because it prevents the spray from being triggered accidentally while it's in your pocket. The pepper in the POM pepper spray is extremely powerful and it is legal in all 50 states. The trigger on the canister is easy to access and the safety mechanism prevents the trigger from accidentally discharging. Number 1. SABRE Personal Safety Kit. Introducing the SABRE Personal Safety Kit, the number 1 trusted brand in personal protection. We are a leader in the personal safety category, with products made right here in the USA. Experience maximum heat and stopping power with our professional-grade OC spray. Our in-house lab testing guarantees reliability, eliminating the failure rate found in other brands. Stay protected from multiple threats at a safer distance. This kit features a spray with 3x longer spray time than the competition, giving you more security. Deter attackers with an ear-piercing 120 dB siren, audible up to 1,280 feet. This loud alarm attracts attention, helping you escape to safety. Feel secure knowing you're prepared. Every kit includes links to free training videos, so you'll know how to use your safety spray effectively in any situation. Designed for immediate use, it features an intuitive finger grip for quick and easy deployment when you need it most. What we like. This kit combines pepper spray with a powerful personal alarm, offering a dual approach to safety. If you want an option that not only deters an attacker but also alerts others to your situation with a loud siren, this is ideal. The intuitive finger grip ensures a secure and easy hold during a stressful event. What people say. Pepper spray works and the alarm is very loud. It sprayed for a long distance. I also tried the alarm and it is so loud. It sounds like a car beeping. The pepper spray is small in size and is perfect for everyday carry, especially for my wife who is 5 foot tall and has small hands. It has a very nice special grip for fingers, which felt way better and secure than others without it. The personal alarm is not as compact as you might think, that's if you want to attach it to keychain. To carry it any other way it's perfectly small and thin, you getting 2 speakers instead of 1, like other 95% of personal alarms. It's loud and would definitely attract attention. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.